Sweetheart.
Yeah, baby.
How do I look?
Very beautiful. You know that already.
Yes, baby. Thank you. Baby.
Yes, sir.
You know something?
Okay.
I am just so grateful for you. You came into my life and then turned everything around. You take care of me. You love me. You protect me. You are always there for me. And I eat your money. So, I want to say thank you for everything you do for me. And of course, I love you from now till eternity.
And I love you too. And I will always, always do.
I know.
So you need to start going now so you will keep the foreign partners waiting.
True. That's true.
Alright.
Baby, please, I want to beg for something.
Okay.
Help me drop the girls at school.
Come on, I will. I'm on leave.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mwah.
Yeah.
Okay, honey, be good. And then
Take care
see
of
you
yourself.
later.
Alright. Love you.
Love you too.
See, fine boy. Hey! This Bushi is a fine boy. See the way he's walking majestically. Hey! Oh, so nice and gentle. Everything I like in a boy. Eh? See how he's looking. See how he's walking majestically. Like a king. God. What am I always hiding anytime I see this boy? It's not me again. Don't worry. The next time I'll see you, I will come out boldly and talk to you so that you notice me.
Oluebube, can see you're happy. How far now?
Fine.
You like quarrel, eh? How is your grandmother doing? I hope she's better now. I just asked you about your sick grandmother. And what's this with your stupid attitude you're bringing on?
What is your business? You don't know my grandmother's house again. You don't know the road to her house again. Eh? Why are you asking me about her? So that you know you look for the one you gossip about. Why is it that you people, what you are good at is going about gossiping with people's name. But you see me, Oluebube, I pass on her well. I pass on her. So just get out. Don't even ask me that kind of question. Anytime you stop me and ask this stupid question again, you will not like what I will do to you. What is all this thing now? Please don't ask me that useless question again. No. It's not happening.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning, Sharon. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Uncle.
Princess, have we seen this morning? Can't you greet?
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh yeah, join me outside in 5 minutes time, okay? Let me warm the car.
Okay. Princess, what is wrong with you? Must you always do this? Uncle Jidena is going to be our father, and you know that.
Stepfather. If at all he wants to be our father, he can never be my father. Never.
Just watch it. What you're doing is not right. And Mom will be happy to hear this. Please, let's go. Princess!
Mama, why haven't you touched your food? Mama, why are you doing this thing to me now? Why? Why are you stressing my life like this?
My daughter, I don't have appetite. Please, the food is not passing.
What do you mean the food is not passing? Are you a child? Mama, stop this thing now. Stop all this rubbish. I don't like it though. Which one is the food is not passing? I know that sick people, they lose appetite. But you try now. After now, you start telling people that I'm not taking good care of you. I'm a parent child, this and that. What is all this thing? See, I don't have your time. I don't have your time. Now, this drug that I bought now, how will you drink it? How will you take it without food now?
Oluebube, please, I want to take pepper soup. Put it enough pepper and agidi. That is what I want to take. Mama. So I can take my drugs.
Mama. Please. Mama, please don't say this rubbish again. Don't say it again. Which one is pepper soup? You would have asked me to go and prepare salad for you. Or anu. What is all this nonsense now? Hey, Mama, why are you stressing my life like this? Why? So you're not using this your sickness to give excuses. Longer throat. Osa. Longer. Because see your drugs, so I don't know what you're talking about. You cannot even appreciate me for making this food for you. Do you know how I suffer to prepare this yam? And you're asking for pepper soup. See your drugs, if you like, take it. If you like, don't take it. That one is your business.
Please, my daughter, I beg you.
Mama, we can't call them soup.
Of course. Are we going to wait till this car is fixed? We're already late for school. But we can't leave just like that.
What's going on here?
It's Princess. She wants to get a cab to school.
Come on. I am sorry about what happened. As you can see, it's nobody's fault. And I don't even think it's a huge fault. That is why I'm still trying to fix it.
No, it's my fault. You don't know your car was faulty. What if it was an accident? We would have died by now.
I can still drop you off. Then when I'm coming, I'll see the mechanic, okay?
Please, I'm out of here. Princess! Oh, please excuse me.
Them say beginner blessings from above, oh. But this can't begin you. I never see them at all.
Why are you like this? Mama, are you okay? You're really sick. You can't do this. You're not too strong for this now. How can you make food? Where is Oluebube?
She's not around. I want to prepare pepper soup and agidi so I can eat and take my medicine.
Mama, but you would have told Oluebube now before she left the house.
My daughter, I want to understand.
I know I won't understand. It's okay. You have to go in and rest. I'll prepare whatever you want for you. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Sorry. You don't have to do this. I don't know what is wrong with you.
at this girl. What is it?
Where's my money?
Haven't I given you the money? Eh?
Which money? You are owing my grandmother 3,000 naira, but you gave me 2,000. Where's the complete money?
But I told you that was what I had. And I promised to pay back later.
See this one. My grandmother is sick and she wants medicine. I need this money to buy medicines for her.
I don't have any money here, Oluebube. I don't have any money here. I will pay you later.
You're not going anywhere. Give me the money. Give me the money.
I don't have any money.
Give me the money.
Oluebube, can I go? I don't have any money here. I will pay you later. Can I go? Eh?
Hey. On my own money. You're shouting at me.
I said I will pay later.
Give me the money. Don't move anywhere. Give me my money.
Hey! Oluebube no there now. Eh? It hasn't gotten to this.
Because give me the money.
Oh, yeah, let me check.
You even have the money here.
Yeah, take it easy now. Is it because of 1,000 you're collecting? You are seizing my phone.
All these people that owe, you owe person, you will not give.
Yeah, thank you. Hey.
Hey, this girl. So you're enjoying yourself, whiling away time, perambulating the whole village. While your own sick grandmother is there at home, trying to cook food that she will eat. All by herself. Probably you're going to eat that food, or that same food she's making, you are going to eat that food. What part of the world are you from, self? Tufiakwa!
Tufiakwa your own. Tufiakwa. Asiriba kute. Go and help her now.
Hey, this is not the matter of Asilio. This is not the matter of gossip. I saw her with my 2 naked eyes and I even helped her.
Help her. Go and continue helping her. Go and continue. Good girl. Nonsense. You don't mind your business. You poke nosing into people's matter.
Oluebube, you have to change. You're too young to be this wicked. Eh?
Mommy G, oh. Good girl. Oh, shit. I don't hear you. Go and continue helping her now, so that they will call you good girl. Don't go and marry. Think you're getting young.
What?
What anger. What anger? Make it back for your wedding day. And I'll be invited. In fact, who will even marry a gossip like you? Somebody that cannot mind their business. Who will marry you? Nobody. You see Adaka.
Well, I don't have your time.
Timekeeper.
A good like you. You have to change, oh. Ebube, you have to change.
Change over. Change over. Talk now. Keep talking.
I can see you're stupid.
See her legs. I think that. Head like a kite. Hey! Mugu. See, let me tell you. Talking to a fool like you makes me a foolish girl. Like this now, you have turned me to a foolish girl because I talk to you. Nonsense. Jealous wench. You are happy now, right? You are happy. You are happy. You are pretending to be sick so that you eat anything you like without being questioned. You are happy.
Ebube, you're just coming back, eh? Stop saying all this thing now.
Stop saying what?
Can't you see that I'm sick?
Mama, you are very wicked. Mama, you are very, very wicked. I don't know why you are doing all these things, but you are wicked. Don't worry. Mama, fear God. Fear God small. Fear God. There is God though. Fear God.
Oluebube, just came in now, you start shouting. I know my head is banging. I don't need it at all.
Mama, if you like, let your head bang that. In fact, let it knock out. I don't care. I don't care. Why are you always pretending to be sick, Mama? So that you do whatever you like. So that people will start pitying you. saying that me, I'm a bad child. I'm giving you problem, but they will not know that you are the one making me feel bad. You are the one giving me troubles in this house. In fact, where is that pepper soup that stupid girl prepared for you?
Ebube, please don't go there. I beg you. You know, that pepper soup is only what I eat.
You don't want to talk.
And I eat it before I take my medicine. Oluebube, please. Oluebube. It's only this pepper soup that I eat. You know I'm sick. Why are you doing this to me?
I know. Me too. It's only this pepper soup that I can eat. And you know I'm sick. I've been the one taking care of you. I'm very, very sick.
Please don't finish it.
I know. I know very, very well.
Oluebube, please don't finish it. Don't finish it.
This stupid girl can cook, sir. Where is that agidi?
Which agidi?
Oh,
you know this is only what I eat, oh. And you know I used to take medicine, Oluebube.
If I have money, I can go and buy everything.
Oluebube, please don't finish
Mama, we need to
my
handle. Let me do this in peace.
For this kind beginning, I never see him at all. This kind wahala, I never see him at all. Oluebube, wetin be your problem? Why you know they here? Abi you no get here at all.
Princess, why do you ask the school bus to drop us halfway? We normally stop at the estate gate. I just want us to stray a bit, so we'll not go home and meet that man exercising.
I don't know why you don't like him. I really like him. He's a nice man.
He took our mom's attention towards me and our dad.
It's a lie. Our dad has long left our mom before now. And besides, he's with another woman.
But mommy is with him.
Our dad treated our mom so bad, she had to leave. She had no choice.
I wanted to bring them back together when we returned from Nigeria, but the plan failed.
Our mom loved Uncle Jidena, and they're going to get married. There's nothing we can do about it.
Sharon, which side are you? Are you on my side or that total stranger?
I'm on the right side. Look what I'm...
Excuse me! Princess! Let me!
Princess! Wait for me!
Come on, Jide. Don't get yourself worked up over that little girl, okay? I think she's just acting her age, and I'm sure she's gonna come around soon.
When, bro? When? I'm already taking a whole lot already. Huh? When? Simply because I love a woman. Can you imagine?
Oh well, as for me, I think all this is a result of familiarities.
How do you mean?
See, that little girl sleeps and wakes up in the same house with you and her mom. She knows fully well you both are not married. Okay, and at that point, I think she sees you as a gold digger. Yes, she sees you as a gold digger. Because I know how the mom, Sonia, will be around you, you know, playing and laughing with you. So you don't have to blame the little girl.
But I and Sonia, we're already living together before she relocated her daughter back here. I love Sonia a lot. I love her so much. I love her with or without her money. But I couldn't have asked her not to let her child live with us.
Hey,
and I can't live too.
Jidena.
We're going to get married soon, then the house becomes ours.
Jidena, I don't want to go back to the past, Jidena. I don't want to. Because I remember I warned you against getting into that house with her. But you wouldn't listen. Oh yeah, I know it's a private house. Okay, I understand that you both will still get married very soon. But trust me, if you were living by yourself, it will earn you more regard, respect, and more love. So I don't blame that little girl, okay?
It is too late, my man. I can't leave Sonia. She won't like it. She won't be happy about it at all.
Okay, in that case, I suggest you talk to her about everything. Yes, talk to her about her daughter. I think your sanity is very important at this point. Okay, just talk to her.
You're right.
You just need to talk to her.
You're right.
Please. It's alright, man. Everything will be okay.
Hey, darling. Oh, my love, it's not what you think. No, now, no, it's not like that. I'm sorry. Listen. You know that I would not want to miss your birthday for anything in this world. I would not want to do that. It's not intentional. I'm sorry, please. It's not intentional. I'm sorry, okay? Yes, honey, you did. But you see, that day, oh my God, that day was so hectic for me. That day was so busy and very hectic for me. I had a lot of work to do at the office, and after the day, I was so fagged that I was tired. I said, okay, let me just get home and rest a little. And I got home and slept off. My dear, I woke up at about 2 a.m. in the morning. I swear. And if my mom was around, I'm sure he would have just helped me, like wake up and then go for the party. I'm sorry. Okay, my love, see, I owe you one. I owe you one, please, okay? I promise I owe you one. Okay? Yes, I know. And I will do it. That's a promise. Okay, I must do it. Oh, my love, that is not a gist over the phone. That is a story that I will talk about when I see you face to face, okay? Please. Please, I don't want to go there. I will, my love. Thank you. Oh, my love, please, let me call you back. Princess is calling me, okay? Thank you so much, okay? Princess. Yes, baby, what is it? You want ice cream? Okay, I'll get it for you. I love you. Don't make troubles, okay? Don't make troubles. I love you. My love. Baby, what is it? What?
I am not in a good mood.
Okay, can you just talk to me about it? Please. What is it?
Honey is Princess. She does not want to change at all. She practically insulted me for the whole of today. From telling her and Shadow to hasten up so they can join me, to the road where the car broke down. Only you need to see the insult. I was so ashamed of myself there. But why is she like that?
Baby.
Why is she being this way?
Baby, please, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Princess is just being a child.
Come on. She is 10. 10.
Yes, honey. But she's still a child. And maybe she's doing all this because of the way her father trained her. Okay? That's why I said I will talk to her. I'm sorry, it won't happen again.
Her father is married to another woman. Already. What does she want you to do? To go back to him?
God forbid. That is not possible. No. Baby, that is why I just said I will talk to her. She's still being a child. She's still being a child. I will talk to her. That's a promise, and it will not happen again. Please. Okay? I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you, baby. I love you.
Love you too.
Baby, don't let this nonsense something now come between me and you. I don't like to hear it again.
It's okay.
Thank you, my love.
Ayo, chicken no dey cry for night. Chicken no dey cry for night. If he cry for night, I go kill am chop. If the owner ask, I go tell am say, chicken no dey cry for night. Chicken no dey cry for night, and he talk he dey cry. Chicken no dey cry for night. Ayo, chicken no dey cry for night. If he cry for night, I go kill am chop. The owner ask, I go kill am chop.
Oluebube! Please come.
What is wrong with this old woman? Always disturbing someone. I don't like this kind of thing. I don't like this thing.
Oluebube!
Yeah, Jacob. What is this I'm hearing? I explained these things to you vividly. I was very clear. I told you. And I asked you not to mess anything up for me. Didn't I? Yes, because your clients are complaining. I am not okay with what they're saying. No, you have to fix this ASAP, like now, like as soon as possible. Sharon, call Princess for me.
Okay, mommy.
Yes, like I was saying, Jacob. I do not like the complaints from your clients. Yes, I am not comfortable at all. I'm not. Listen, Jacob. This market is so competitive and we cannot be down there. We need to be on our toes, like, yes. I can't afford to lose on this one. No, I worked so hard for all these things to happen. You have to fix this like now, like ASAP, like now. Good. Just like that, and please be fast. Oh, hold on. Please, once you get to the site, tell Esther to send me the file number 7, to my mail.
Mama, what is the meaning of this? Mama, when did you start to pee in your clothes?
I was so pressed. I was calling you, but you didn't answer me. The thing was coming out, I couldn't hold it.
So, Mama, you cannot even stand up or call me so that I can get you buckets. Mama, I don't like all this thing. You are disgracing, you are embarrassing me. You are embarrassing me, I don't like it all. You are not yet old and you are behaving like this. If you get old, what will you do? We will not run away from you.
Oluebube, I'm sorry, please. Come and change me and wash these clothes.
Change what? Me? God forbid. I cannot touch this thing. I can never try it. This thing that smells like this, I cannot touch it. Mama, you have to stop this thing you are doing. I don't like it. I got the wine and you marry now. Omaka like that. Omaka's. Shame on you.
Aye. Oluebube.
My princess, my baby, please, I want to beg you. Love and accept Uncle Jidenna. Please. You know why? Because mommy loves him. I'm going to marry him. You have to accept him as your father.
Mommy, he's not my father. I don't know why you're allowing him to squat in our house. Let him leave this house.
Don't say that. He's not squatting here.
He is.
Shut up. What is it? You came back from the States and met us here together. He was here before you came back from the States. Look at the ring. I am his fiancé. We are getting married. Your father has moved on. He has another woman now. I cannot go back to him. I need to move on with my life. I need to be happy. Don't you understand? I am begging you. Please. Princess, I will not take you insult him anymore. I won't. I am begging you now. Because you will not like my reactions later. Do you understand?
Okay, Mommy, I'll beg you.
Thank you, my princess. You can go now. Princess.
Now what's wrong with you? Cheer up. Look at you. You look very, very down and tired. What's going on? See, I know the cure to your problem. Yes. I have a girl I'll call for you. She's very pretty, curvy, and very sweet. I'm very sure you will love her. Yes. Just hold on. Let her come. If you like her.
Thank you very much, Romeo. I don't want it. I don't want to cheat on my woman. I love Sonia a lot.
Relax, huh? We are guy men. We know all these things. Just chill. Just wait and see this girl. If you see her, you will love her. Just chill.
Oh, God. I said I don't want. I love Sonia. And I cannot cheat on her.
I think that girl, she's using something on you. Yes, I think Sonia is using something on you. Well, I'm only trying to be a good friend though, that's all. So I don't know why you're taking it personal.
Thank you, Mr. Advisor.
Look who we have here. Madam Vexy. So after this, you have saying, okay, I will call my friend's house today. You are here now. Aren't you? You're here.
Says who? It's Naomi who dragged me here. If not, I see the vex for you, Sha.
See her. Vexa. I beg you.
Hey, what's your stress? What's your own self? I begged you now. I said I'm sorry. It was like intentional. I didn't mean to do that to you. I'm sorry. And I promised to make it up to you. I did, didn't I?
Well, I'm yet to see it.
You will see it with your fine hair.
I beg. You don't do. Is it me?
Oh, nah. He went out with his friend, Romeo.
Oh. You're fine, Bobo. Love is sweet, Sha. Me, I go love, but no be now.
Hey. This is her house. And the kids might be around.
Not true, Sha. See, babe. Proud of you. I'm very proud of you like this, eh? Sometimes, I dey envy you. See, your late father go dey proud of you. Anyway, where he dey, go dey proud of you. See as you just transform your father company, just take him to another level. I dey envy you. See, you see all those your father top business associate where he get before, see their son would have been more better than this your bobo. Tell you.
Calm down. Hello. What's in that kind of talk? Which kind of direction with that? I don't understand. Excuse me? It is my life, my choice, my happiness, my space. And I advise you mind your loose tongues and don't talk nonsense in my house. Are you okay?
Tell her, this is why you can't keep a man or even maintain a relationship. Oh. You keep going after money and material things. Okay. And they keep messing you around.
Ah!
I beg you. Baby girl needs money. I just need money like this to maintain this life. Who love her? Tell me.
And for the life maintaining, do you have a life? Can you define maintaining life?
Ask her.
Anyways, it's your choice. And very poor and wretched choice like that. My choice. So I advise you mind your business while I mind my business too. Is that okay? Thank you.
It's okay. Oh.
Yeah,
I hear.
Okay. You don't get
please, let's leave that discussion for another day. This table is too empty. Come and give us some drink now. Just look at everywhere, it's so dry. Enter inside. By now, I say go don't bring out one kind of champagne like this.
My sister.
Something hot.
Something cold. As you come, I don't carry cooling van. Come. You just come and drink. No. You don't see bar. Don't have masters. For carry cooling van now. Right? I'll guess what I have. If you don't like it, you get out.
Please get anything. I beg carry and come.
Something hot.
Flavor.
Yeah.
Come on, get away.
I beg carry anything. Come here. I want it.
That was so funny. Baby, you're a clown.
What about you?
Okay, right now. What?
You are so beautiful. And I want you to know that no matter what happened, I will always love you.
And I bless God for the day I met you. I love you so much, honey.
Really? You do? Then, why don't you show me that now?
Somebody wants to get naughty.
That is the idea.
Don't try me. Don't try me.
Are you ready?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay.
Them say beginner blessings from above, oh. But this kind beginning, oh, I never see them at all. This kind wahala, I never see them at all. Oluebube, wetin be your problem? Why you know they here? I be you no get here at all. Oluebube weluke n'nwayo kejidokunu kelini ya kanjua kamuloge muwa nsogbu onye amụtara n'ebe onye mụta n'ebe
Oluebube!
Buchi? Buchi? Hey! So it's just a dream. Oh. But what is wrong with this woman? What is wrong with this woman? I don't know. I just feel like killing this woman. Hey! See sweet dream. See sweet dream. Let me go back. Buchi, sorry. Let me go back.
Oluebube! Oluebube! Oluebube, please come!
I don't know what is wrong with this woman. I don't know. See fresh air. See sweet drink. Fia. See fresh air now. See better dream now. Someone is dreaming. Remember I don't know. Where are you now?
Princess, what is it? I'm sure aside mom, no one has talked to you today.
Would you go and check that car that mommy borrowed him that he can't maintain? If we go, it's going to stop us halfway. And he can't even fix it. He'll be looking for who insults him.
Princess, stop that.
But it's true.
And why would you talk about me like that? Eh? When will you learn to respect yourself and stop disrespecting your elders?
I'm late. If you can't take me to school, I can find my way.
Princess!
If not for one thing now, I would have slapped the deal out of you this minute. Small girl like you. Very wicked and stubborn at this age.
Oluebube! Oluebube! Imagine. Oluebube!
Mama, you are back. You're back from the morning mass. Yeah, thank God though. Mama, you're fully recovered though. Thank God. At least Kamara came now. Oh.
Excuse me.
Mama. Thank God you're fully recovered though. Because, that time you were pretending to be sick. Mama, you stressed my life. You stressed my life, Mama. I almost gave up taking you to Indaboski.
Where are you even going? Dressed like this, Oluebube. Look at everywhere. You didn't sweep even this morning. You never sweep anything this morning. You dress. Oh, God.
Mama, that was why I said, thank God that you are fully recovered. That time you were pretending to be sick, Mama. Was I not the one taking care of this compound? I do the washing, the cleaning, the sweeping, everything, the cooking self. Have you been doing anything in this house? Now, you are well now, so you can do everything yourself. You can sweep, you will not die. Sweep, you won't die. And where I'm going to is none of your business. So I have the right to go to wherever I like. Bye-bye.
Oluebube. Oluebube, come back here. Oluebube, will you come back here? Imagine this girl. Hey, she didn't sweep this morning. Look at the way she dressed like a crazy human being. I don't know whether she's running mad. Because she just make up like a mad person.
Jidenna, can you please listen to me for once?
Listen to what exactly? You are obviously repeating the same thing and you expect me to swallow all the insults from her all the time? No, I can't take that.
Sweetheart, Princess is only but a child.
She's just behaving like one. Please.
So is that why we should indulge her so she can get worse? Eh? If she is a child, let her act like one and stay away from your affairs.
Baby, listen. She is my daughter regardless. She is. I'm sorry, okay? But what you did was wrong. Leaving her alone like that in the house is bad. If she was to be your daughter, the daughter from your loins, you will not do that to her. It is not nice.
Listen, my biological daughter should know her place, and she will not dare insult me or intrude in my affairs. No, she won't. She can't try that.
Jidena, can you please listen to me?
No, you listen to me, Sonia. Let me tell you something. I am not with you because I want anything. I am with you because I love you and I want to be with you. I want to take good care of you. That is why I'm with you. But for your daughter, I am tired. I am sick and getting tired of all the insult and disrespect from her. It's right time for you to choose who lives and who stays. Yes, excuse me.
Oluebube weluke n'nwayo kejide okwu n'ukeli nni ya ka njụọ ka mụlụ oge mụọ nsogbu ka njụọ ijide okwu n'uke jebe ka njụọ weluke n'nwayo Oluebube weluke n'nwayo kejide okwu n'ukeli nni ya ka njụọ
Yeah! Chineke, where is she up to? Dressed like this, with heavy makeup on her face. Hey, this one is big wahala. Now, wow. Big wahala. Hey! Zombie. Ah. Corner. Waka. Indeed, you're walking. You're waka. Let's see. Why are you doing this?
Ugonna, my daughter, you are welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Mama. Mama, why are you doing this now? I told you you're not strong enough for this house chores. Eh? Mama, I've always told you that I will always come around to help you clean the whole place.
My daughter, you want to understand. Is this girl that calls herself Oluebube? She wants to kill me. Eh? Look at the whole place. Very filthy. She refused to sweep. Ordinary to sweep this place. This morning she refused to sweep. She just dressed up and left with the kind of makeup she made as if she has run mad. Eh?
Mama, don't worry.
In fact, I don't understand. I'm only waiting for her father to come back this December. So I will tell the father to bundle this evil child away from this place. I'm tired of her.
Mama, it's okay.
Before she kills me.
Nobody will kill you. She won't kill you, okay? Eh? Everything will be fine. Eh? Don't worry.
My daughter.
I told you I always come around to help you do everything you ever want. Oluebube to do for you?
What can I do? What can I just do without you?
Oluebube.
Tell me, you are just there. Every time you are there for me, what can I do without you?
It's okay, Mama.
God will bless you.
You say,
hey.
Oluebube, she's something else. I saw her on the road, card walking. Who knows where she's headed?
That girl wants to kill me.
She won't, Mama.
She wants to kill me before my time.
You have to go inside and rest. Let me do the sweeping. Afterward, I'll go and prepare your meal. Go inside.
Thank you, my daughter.
Don't worry, I'll always be coming to help you.
All right, thank you.
No!
Huh? Well done.
No!
No!
Well
done.
Hey, baby girl. How far? What is it, girl? Oh my God. When? Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay? Please take it easy, okay? You know what? I'm headed for a 2 hours meeting. I'll come see you when I'm done. Of course you should know that's what Naomi will say. What do you expect? Just take it easy on you, okay? Please, don't let it get to you. Please take it easy. I'll come see you as soon as I'm done. Yeah. Please take care of yourself. It's alright, take care. Bye.
Them say begin blessings from above, oh. But this can't begin, yo. I never see them at all. This kind of wahala, I never see them at all. Oluebube, wetin be your problem? Why you know they here? I be you no get here at all.
Princess, why is this place so unkept and untidy? I'm talking to you, Princess. Why is this place like this? Now clean this place before mommy gets back. I'm talking to you, do not ignore me. Princess! Now clean this place.
Sharon, get out of my view.
Sweep this place now. Don't get me angry.
What will you do if I don't clean it? Will you beat me?
Really?
Yes,
will
you beat me?
There is no problem. But I will make sure nobody sweep this place except from you.
Wait for me to sweep it.
Don't worry.
you doing?
I'm fine. Long time. How are you?
I'm fine.
This your makeup is not bad, Shao.
Hey, you like it?
It's fine. It looks good on you.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
There's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
It's nothing, child. It's nothing. I don't know how I will say it. I don't know where I will start from.
You can start from anywhere and there's always a starting point.
Okay. I like you. I used to see you in my dream. You will buy many things for me. You will back me. You will carry me. You will give me plenty things. I used to see you in my dream.
See you in your dream?
You.
As what? Is this a joke or what? When did that start?
It's not a joke, oh. I mean it.
You mean what? Why are you seeing your dream? Are you okay? Are you high? You're seeing me in your dream. Is this some kind of joke or what? Or is this what you be saying at your age? Or instead thinking about your education?
But she leave that thing now. Leave that one. See, who school help? Me, as you see me so, I am naturally intelligent. I know everything. So leave that education stuff. Let's focus on the one we have here now.
Hey, in your life, don't ever. Is this an insult? In your life, don't ever try this again. Don't butcher me! Stop butchering me before someone will just hear our voice now and think we have something in common. When did this start?
So all this makeup now, what will happen to it?
Is the makeup for me?
Yes, now.
Hey, I'm finished. Like seriously, okay, you love me? God. In your wildest dream, don't you ever see my shadow and say I love you. When did this start?
You know that dream is natural. I'm not the one calling you. You're the one coming in my dream. Now I'm calling you and you are rejecting me like this.
Don't love me. Don't insult me again. Don't insult me. You better go home and look for something to do. Joseph the dreamer. Wipe this thing on your face. It doesn't really look good on you.
Hey. Boo-boo. I don't like all this kind of thing. Now, all this time I wasted here now is now nonsense.
Oluebube, come, madam. Madam Oluebube, come, I want to tell you something. I have good news for you. I want to tell you that I am ashamed of you. Yes! So you left your house early in the morning without sweeping or doing anything at home. Gallivanting the whole village. Leaving your poor grandmother, your sick and poor grandmother alone to do everything in the house. You're a wicked girl. Shame on you! I say shame on you!
Shame on you! Shame on you! What is it? Mrs. Lawyer, what is it? What is your problem? Is it your business? Is it your business?
It is my business! It is my business and I won't stop telling you the truth. You are a wicked girl. Stop being wicked! Stop being wicked!
See, do you know that you are very shameless? Yes.
Oh, my.
Every day you be going to our house, doing all the work that they didn't ask you of. Why are you helping us? Who called you to help us? Who? Anyways, I don't blame you. I blame joblessness because it is your problem. Yes.
Yes, it is my problem, but that will not stop me from helping because I have a good heart. And I won't stop helping. I'll keep doing good even when you're wicked. That's to show good example so that you can learn and become a good girl. But no, you don't want to be good. You want to keep being wicked. Anyway, I can take all your rubbish, yeah? I can take all your rubbish. But that will not stop me from advising you and telling you the truth. Stop being wicked. Change!
Let it be. I'm wicked, yes. I'm wicked, I agree. I'm wicked. Is it your wickedness? Is it not my wickedness? Am I wickeding you? Is it how is the wickedness affecting you? How? See, I know why you are doing all these things. I know. pretender. You are doing all these things so that my father will notice you when he comes back from the city. But let me tell you, my father will never look at your face. My father will not marry a village gossip like you.
Me?
Yes.
A village gossip. Anyways, let me tell you, I am doing all of this because I was well raised by good parents. So that will not stop me from doing good. So I want to advise you today to change. Start doing good. Go back home and continue doing good.
Don't worry.
Stop being wicked.
Don't worry. I've heard you. The next time you come to our house, then you know the kind of person I am. You know the kind of wickedness I am.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do. See your head like Kernel. Kernel like you. You want to do something? Hey, let me see you in my house again. I will show you what I can. You cannot do anything. Look at you. It's only waka waka, you know. Corner, you've corner, waka waka now. With makeup. Idiot. Unwanted.
Sweetheart, Princess is only but a child. She's just behaving like one. Please.
Come on, Jide. Don't get yourself worked up over that little girl, okay? I think she's just acting her age, and I'm sure she's going to come around soon.
So is that why we should indulge her so she can get worse?
See, that little girl sleeps and wakes up in the same house with you and her mom. She knows fully well you both are not married. Okay? And at that point, I think she sees you as a good digger. Yes, she sees you as a good digger. Because I know how the mom, Sonia, will be around you, playing and laughing with you. So you don't have to blame the little girl.
She is my daughter regardless. She is.
Okay, in that case, I suggest you talk to her about everything. Yes, talk to her about her daughter.
Like, was I robbed? What is this? Sharon! Sharon! Princess!
Please calm down, okay?
Sharon!
Mommy, good evening. Auntie, good evening. How are
Yes? What is this? Was I robbed? What happened here? What is this? Who did this?
It's Princess. I asked her to tidy it, but she refused.
I just slapped her. Where is she? Oh, so if I come in here with my guest, I'll be welcomed like this, right? Wonderful. Where is she?
In the room.
Call her for me.
Okay, Mommy.
Until I said in 2 seconds!
Sonia, please take it easy, okay?
Can you imagine what madness is this?
Please, you have to take it easy, okay, Sonia?
Sincerely, that girl must get punished. I'll make sure I spank her. What is her problem? Is she crazy or something? Is she a baby? What is this? This is an intentional act. Sincerely, it is. It's not funny now. It is not funny. Huh? Even if she was spoiled in the States, I will mend her here.
What do you mean?
You know she was shopping between my mom and her father. Right? She will stay sometimes with my mom and then with her father sometimes in the States. And I'm sure they spoiled her over there. She came back and so annoying. I'll let her know this is Africa. This is not the State. She has to understand that this is Africa and you must respect yourself and act in decorum. It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I understand. In as much as I don't support sparing the rod to spoil a child, But you have to take it easy, knowing where her anger is coming from.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Princess, I am a mother. She's not my mother. She's a child. I have begged her, I've talked to her. Please understand, she will not listen to me. Is she mad? I am a mother. She's not my mother. What is wrong with her? I've been thinking of how to get Jiden on the phone. His phone is off. He came from the car. He was angry. I came back here and made this mess. What is this? I'm going crazy. I'm human.
It's okay. Take it easy, okay? I think Jide is just angry and he's trying to calm his nerves. He will surely come back, okay? And things will get itself sorted out. Even if it means me talking to him, I will. Just calm down. Everything will be fine, alright?
I'm going crazy. You don't understand.
I do.
This house is just...
Just calm down, please. Just take it easy. Everything will be fine. Alright? Please. Calm down.
Mama! 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 Your food is ready.
I'm coming. Hey! Enokwa. Olebe. Asam. Hey!
Mama, eat your food. Let me go and get your water.
Oluebube, this one you prepared food for me today without pressurizing you. Today is going to be a very good day.
Mama, this is your problem. Mama, why are you doing this thing? Why are you this wicked? Every time you keep complaining. I made food, you are complaining. If I did not make the food, you will complain. What is it? Mama, will I kill myself for you? What is this?
I'm sorry now. Just that you know you've not done this kind of a thing before, so I was so excited. I was just happy. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Alright, so let me
Don't
get
be
some
angry. Hey. I just hope it will be permanent. Oluebube. I don't want more. Hi. 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 Oluebube. Oluebube. Hello. Please, water. This is too pepperish. Hey, pepper. Pepper, please. Water.
Which water? Water fire you there. I thought you know how to gossip. Go and gossip. I want this pepper to destroy that your mouth. To even kill you, said. Mama, die. Mama, die. It can't wicked. Die now. Die.
Oluebube, please now. Everything is too pepperish. Biko no. Water, biko high.
Mama, so you know how to gossip without useless one. Today, this pepper will kill you. And you will die. It's a must. You will die.
Oh.
So eat it now.
Oluebube. Because there no water.
Mama, I'll put this food in your mouth though. Eat this food now and die in peace.
Oluebube, please water. Oluebube, please now. Oluebube, please.
Oh! Open your mouth. Die. Die. Now.
Oluebube, good. Water. Hey. My mouth. Pepe. What did I do to this girl that she wants to kill me?
See, Jidena, you need to go home. Yes, you need to go back home. That woman has been so remorseful. See, she has been calling me more than 15 times this evening. I can't keep ignoring her calls. Who knows, she might even hurt herself.
Romeo, you know how much I love this girl. I wasn't after her money or anything when I met this girl. Even to date, all I just want is just to be with her, make her happy. I love Sonia, my guy.
Jidena, you don't need to keep telling me this. I know all of this. See, the truth remains, Princess wouldn't cease from being her daughter. You get? And you know all these kids raised abroad, they can be disrespectful and saucy. So you need to do the needful so peace can reign.
My brother, I just remember vividly how we met. It was so beautiful. Man. Are you okay? Are you good?
Yes.
Thank God. Yes. Thank God.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. You're welcome.
Thank you for taking care of a total stranger like me. God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you.
You see, we try to make the world a better place. Now that you're fine, I have to take my leave now.
No, wait. It is past 11 already.
Come on.
It's late out there. It's going to be risky for you.
Don't worry. I'll be straight. Don't worry. I can take care of myself. It's okay.
I insist. Please.
Okay. Now that you don't want me to leave, can I at least have your permission to prepare you something to eat? Please. Yes. Okay, thank you.
thank you again for coming to see me. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. And I'm so glad that you're very okay now. You're good. And please, one more thing. Please be careful next time. And know that toxic relationship kills like poison. Please be careful.
Yes, true. I have sorted that out already. I'm just trying to,
I understand. I'll see you next time.
Okay. Please feel free to come again and again and again. I really did enjoy your company.
Same here.
Yeah, let me see you off.
Alright. I wish things can just go back the way it used to. Despite all the challenges.
Say, Jidena, let me tell you, I understand your point, but the truth is you need to face it. Do you understand? You need to tackle it instead of running away from it. See, real men face their problems. Yes, that's what makes you a real man. Now you have a problem, face your problem, tackle it once and for all. Okay, that makes you a man. Go home, Jidena. I'm your friend and I wouldn't deceive you. Go home and face your problems. Okay? I will call you and see how things go.
No problem, Romeo.
Alright.
Baby, good morning. Honey, wakey, wakey. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Good morning. Stand up. Let me help you.
Maybe what?
Don't worry. You know what? I made you a very delicious meal. Trust me, you like it.
Meal?
Yeah.
Wow. That's so romantic.
You're welcome.
Maybe this love, I like it too. Please don't stop loving me like this.
No, I won't. As long as I live, I will make you happy now and forever. You know I love you.
I've not brushed my mouth. But just
don't worry, you do that later.
Just kiss me. Mwah.
Let's go.
I haven't brushed my mouth.
Come. Okay. Oi.
Baby, where have you been?
I was with Romeo. Sorry, I should have.
It's fine. I should be the one to apologize to you. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry I overreacted. Please, do not let this little thing cause issues between us. We have gone through a whole lot already. And baby, please help me fight this battle so we can have victory. Please.
That is what we should do. And that is what we are meant to do. To fight and have victory. I love you.
I'm saying, if you finish preparing this thing now, she will be the first person that will come and carry it in the pot and finish it.
Ah. Oluebube.
This girl.
Mommy, Mama just keep praying, eh?
Who are you praying for? Oluebube. Oluebube is now shaking hands with the devil.
Mama, you be aqua. You be aqua. Nothing like that. Just keep praying, she will change. And just take her to church every day you're going for morning mass.
She's
take
so
her to the
heartless. She's so, in fact, she derived joy in seeing me sad.
Mama, don't say
I'm
that.
telling you.
She's your grandchild. All she needs is prayer and time. She will definitely change. Put yourself together and keep praying. That's your work. That's your job as a
Don't mind
grandma.
Hey!
Mama, can you imagine? Look at me.
Hey.
Look at me.
Next time, if you come to this house again, this one is just small. The one I'll do to you again, you hate yourself.
Mama, if not for one thing, I would have twisted this girl's mouth. In fact, I would have cut up her hair.
My daughter, I'm sorry. Please, for my sake, forgive her. You know you come here because of me. She wouldn't help me do any house choice. This girl wants to kill me.
My good will not kill me.
Sorry, please. She must leave this house today.
Hey!
Excuse me, Mama, I have to go.
Go!
Sorry.
Go and never return. Because if you
Please,
go
I'm
back
sorry.
to this house again, hey! It's hot water. I'll use and beat you. Try me. My daddy will not marry you.
I cannot take this anymore. What? My God will not kill me. I'm leaving.
Go and never return, Mugu. Go! Don't ever come back to this house again. Because this one is small compared to the one I'll do again.
What have I done to deserve this?
Another one is hot water boy. I'll
What
use
have
them
I done
for your body.
to deserve this? Oluebube, what did I do to you? What have I done to deserve all these things, Oluebube? Can you hear
Everything wrong to me. Since you decide to gossip with that useless girl, I will show you Pepe. You too. I will show you Pepe. Listen, why you got you will not sleep.
Oluebube, don't believe you.
Nonsense.
Oluebube welukenu mayo.
Look at the mess. Look at the mess this girl wants to cook for me. Look at what she wants to prepare for me. Oluebube, I have succeeded in driving her away. And it's not as if she will come and prepare it for me. What did I do to this girl? What did I do to her? Why is she punishing me like this?
Baby,
Yes, honey.
please come help me with my button. Baby, what?
This one is too tight.
Really? All right.
Mama, Hello, Mama.
Hello, Jidenna, my son. I'm sick and tired of this, your daughter. I don't want to stay here with her anymore. She will kill me. She will kill me. As a matter of fact, she's outside right now. I want you to come home any moment from now and take her away from my house. In fact, I don't want to see her. Her sight even irritates me.
Mama, please take it easy. What happened?
Don't even please me. Your daughter here have dealt with me. She has really dealt with me. Huh? She wouldn't let me be. She wouldn't give me a breathing space. Always trying to make sure she kills me. But I will not allow that. She wouldn't go any house chores for me. She wouldn't sweep. She wouldn't cook for me. So there is this girl that used to come and help me. Her name is Ugonnaya. Ugonnaya came here and was picking the beans that she wants to prepare for me. Oluebube, from nowhere, came and poured her water, including the beans. The girl left this house in tears. Always embarrassing me every time. It's not as if she will prepare the beans, so.
Oh, it's okay, Mama.
It's not okay. Come and take her. She can, as I'm talking to you now, she's outside. I need you here any moment from now. She's outside, and please don't tell me it's okay.
Mama?
Baby,
Honey.
what is it?
Mama is having issue with Oluebube. Honey, please. I need to go to village now before things get out of hand. Like now.
Is it that serious?
I'm telling you.
Okay, do you want me to go with you?
No, don't worry. I can handle it.
Are you
Let me
sure?
go first, yeah.
Okay, be careful.
It's alright. Alright, Mommy.
Mwah! Mwah!
Take care of yourself, okay?
Alright, my love, be careful. I love you.
Love you too.
Mama, mind that you are calling my name. You are not the one that gave me the name. You didn't give me the name.
Come and enter now. You won't enter in this house today.
You are looking for my
You will never enter
You
here.
are looking for my door. I was just respecting my daddy. That was why I did not want to push you. If I push you, you know you are old. Respect your old age, oh. Mama.
Oluebube. Oluebube. You know that you are an evil child. You see this house, you can never enter it again.
Said, he told my father that there's nothing I've done to you. Have I poisoned your food?
Have
I poisoned your food?
That is the only thing that is remaining.
And I will do it.
You have done more than that, sir.
Mama, please take it easy. You know she's still a child. I will talk to her.
My son, you don't understand. Jidenna, if I tell you what I've been passing through from this girl, you will pity me. This girl you are calling a small girl is not a small girl. She's old enough to know what is right for her to do. But she will not do it. As you see her, she is nothing but a headache. That's what she is. She must leave my house, so.
So, Mama, I'm now an evil child, right?
Uh-huh.
Upon all the good things I've been doing for you.
Oh, see?
Even when you were sick, I took very good care of you. Now, I'm your headache. Don't worry. Because of that stupid Ugonna. Don't worry.
Oluebube.
Oh.
What is wrong with you? Is it Mama you are talking to like that? Eh?
But that...
Will you shut up your mouth?
That is it. Okama, Nigerian ginafo. I like the way you're seeing it yourself. It's happening in your presence. This is what I've been suffering from this girl. She has been giving me a lot of trouble here and there. She will not do any house chores for me. She will not sweep. She will not cook for me. She only dealing with me. She wants me dead by all means. Please, take this girl away. She's not staying in this house with me. Please.
Let me go to the city now. It's better. It's better I go to the city. Yes. Daddy, come and take me to the city. Go,
if I hear your voice again, oh yeah, get inside. Go inside.
Go where? Where is she going? No. Oluebube cannot stay here with me. Unless you want me dead. Do you want to bury me? My son, if I tell you what this guy has been doing to me, even this, when I was sick, she was mentioning, if I open this mouth to tell you how this guy dealt with me, you will marvel. If I continue to stay with Oluebube in this house, I will just hang, I will kick Oluebube. You won't enter my house. You won't enter my house.
Please, oh.
I shall not this guy enter this house.
I'm going through a lot already in my house in the city. Yeah? Plus my job. Don't worry, I will talk to Oluebube.
Jidenna. Asking Oluebube to stay here with me is murder. You just want to kill me, nothing else. You don't know what I'm passing through in the hands of this Oluebube.
It's okay, she will change.
No, I prefer you take Oluebube to any place or anywhere, any place of your choice, than for you to leave Oluebube, to live here in this house with me.
Mama,
I will die you.
It's okay.
She will end up killing me.
She will change. She's going to change. Just watch. I will talk to her. Okay, I'll talk to her.
Okay, now let's see. Let's see.
Princess, please can I talk to you?
About?
Mom, Uncle Jidena and...
I'm not interested. I'm busy.
Princess, please. Things will not always be like this.
Sharon, leave me alone. Don't you understand? Leave me alone. You want to have this parlor to yourself? Fine, good, cool. You can have it to yourself. One more thing. You will never, ever be my father. The faster he leaves this house, the better for all of us.
Princess! Princess!
Baby. What is it? You look so disturbed and I can see that. What?
Nothing, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Really?
Yeah, sure.
How is Mama?
Mama is fine, she's fine.
And your daughter?
Yeah.
Yes, that reminds me. Maybe you didn't tell me what's up with the village you went to. Like, what happened? Why was Mama calling you? What is it? Is there a problem?
Oh. Mama said I should bring Oluebube to the city. That she don't want to live with her anymore.
Why? That is her granddaughter. And looking at her age and health, she needs her around. So help her at least.
I told her all that, but she insisted that I should bring Oluebube to the city. That she's soft. That I should train her myself since I'm the man. I don't know. I wish I have somewhere else to take Oluebube to.
Why? Is she not your daughter? So can't you live with her?
I can, but...
But what, honey? Stop it. What do you mean, but? But what? You should not say that. What do you mean? She's a child. And that makes her my child too. Yes. She can come and stay with us. After all, we are going to be family soon. And I love you. If I love you, I should love everything that you represent. Okay? This house is big enough for all of us. What do you mean? Let her come and stay here, please. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you, Mom. Come on, cheer up and smile for me.
Thank you.
Maybe stop. I don't get. It's our house though. Maybe I'm working on something for the office. I'm typing it. Once I'm done, I'll let you know so you can check and see what I did, if it's okay.
All right.
Okay, my princess. Like I was saying, they will soon be here. And I want to beg. I want to plea. Please. I would love us to live in peace, harmony, and
respect, princess. Hmm? But if you see something you do not like, just come to mommy. And I promise you, I will sort it out. That's a promise. Okay?
Okay, mommy.
Princess, you're not saying anything.
I have nothing to say so that they will not tag me as stubborn and disrespectful.
Hey, honey, stop that. You know mommy loves you. Hmm? And I want the best for you.
By bringing strangers into our house, anyone is coming today. Very soon our house will turn into a slum.
Hey, honey. Stop saying that. Princess.
Me.
Daddy, why is your face like this? Are you not happy that you are taking me to the city? Sort of whiling away my time in this local village.
Oluebube, just shut your mouth up till we get to the city.
You want me to shut my mouth? My mouth will start smelling and I don't like it. I will talk and enjoy my company. Come on, let's just get to the city. I like you. Wow. Hey! wait. Serious.
What?
Let me use myself. I'm coming. See your life?
What?
See your life?
What?
I'm going to the city with my father. And by the time I come back, I'll be a very big girl, city girl. And you'll be a local village champion. See? If you had reciprocated, by now you'd be making mouths. It's my name that I'm now in the city. But no, you refused. So look at your life. You see how your life is. When I come back, I will spray money to other people. I will leave you. Take Onenoma, Onenoma. I will not even look at your face. I just looked at you and I saw that your ministry had a go patak. I just decided to help your ministry. You know me guy. Let me tell you. If I go to the city, I will see better people that pass you. Oh, so chop yourself. I'm going to the city. Come back. Ebuka go. Go safe. City girl.
Oluebube, what was that for? Who is that guy?
It's nobody serious, so let's just go.
Is nobody serious?
Yes. Oh my God.
Okay.
City girl.
How are you, princess?
I'm fine.
Are you sharing?
So, honey, how was your trip?
Great.
And how is Mama?
She's fine.
Hey, this sounds fine. Nah, Daddy, so you have this kind of house and you left me in that village with Mama to be suffering. Hey, you're too wicked. That will go now. She'll be pretending to be helping us every time she'll be coming to the house. See her life. City girl.
Oluebube, just stop. Stop.
Okay. Hey.
Meet my fiancé and your stepsisters.
Each one is Nancy.
Not Nancy, fiancé like my wife to be.
Hey! Daddy, you have big eyes. See, fine woman that you went and carry. Hey!
Trust your father now.
Now, wow for you. Hey! So, you are my sisters.
Yes,
hey. Oyibo.
This
am
is...
I not like you? Hey, yeah. Hi, Papa. Hey. You, cover your face. Rubbish. Yeah.
My darling, she's not in a good mood. You know, she's not very fine, okay?
It's not for me.
Okay, come, let me take you to your room.
Don't worry, let me help you.
Okay, my darling. Welcome, my love. You're welcome. You're so pretty.
What? Why would you do that?
Do what?
Sweetness.
Will you stop that?
Do not even.
Hey,
What are you doing?
Ebube!
It's your food I'll catch, but don't even touch my food. Hey!
I'm going to use this salad on you.
You are sitting there now. I'm not even back. We are starting. If I start my own, you cannot finish it though. You.
Princess, stop. Table manners.
I'm not the one that puts in bad mood though. Let me go. Mama. Hey, Buchi. Okay. I like your food though.
But you like your own, right? Good. So just eat and don't talk anymore, okay? Good girl.
Baby,
Yes, baby.
are you sure these girls can stay in this house for 3 days alone?
I don't know. We never bargained for this.
Baby, I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I'm very confused.
Don't worry. We'll talk to them the best way we can. Trust me, everything will be fine.
Like we have a choice. We do not have a choice. Those girls. This one passed me. I see what's passed me. I'm telling you.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine soon.
It has to be fine. I'm tired.
talking to him like that? Is he your mate? It's like in your village, they didn't teach you how to respect your elders. Are you mad?
In my mother's house.
Don't talk.
You can't do anything.
Which mother's house? Let me tell you, this is my father's house. And don't even get me angry so that I will not give you quit notice. Are you mad? See, I know you hate me, and I don't care because me too, I hate you. If you do anyhow, I will change it for you. Yeah, try me. Are you mad? What is wrong with you?
You can't not do anything in my mother's house. You can't.
You are mad.
You're stupid.
Me?
Leave her alone. Leave my sister alone. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Stop. Princess, stop.
What? Hey! Alu! Princess!
You can only want to have mouth. I don't do anything, no.
Oluebube.
I was just dancing on my own. She just started beating me. I don't do anything. I never say anything.
Now, Turu, get up from here.
Yeah.
Leave here! Nobody here! Leave here!
What is wrong with you?
I don't do anything. She just started beating me. I don't even talk. I never say anything. Your Ajebo is too much, so it's not too much.
Oh, you are Ajebo too now? Eh? Hey! Princess! Go inside. Just go inside.
Oh, yeah!
Go inside! Princess, what is wrong with you? What is your problem? Why are you making this house so toxic? Like we're in hell. Why can't you live in peace with your sisters? What is your problem? What?
She's not my sister and she will never be my sister.
Why can't she be your sister? I am getting married to her mother soon and that make you both sisters.
She's not seeing it like that now. She's not seeing it that way. Me, I cannot stay in this house and that girl, that useless princess, intimidates me. It can never happen. I will never let that happen.
Mom, what right does she have in this house? This is our house. She should go back to the gutter where she belongs. Besides, I don't know why you allowed her to come and stay in this house.
Will you stop that and shut your mouth? Is something wrong with you? I did not train you in this manner. What is your problem? Princess, you do not have a choice. Yes. You will live there in this house. She's your sister. You do not have a choice. You better get that into your thick head. You don't have a choice. Do you understand?
If you want to stay here, it's her business. It's none of my business. But my own is that she should not cross my lane. Because if she does, I will deal with her. And also, teach her how to respect her elders. So because me, I'm not going to match you. I will destroy her.
No problem. I will see to that. But I want you to do something for me. Try and ignore her a bit. Be cool, Oluebube. Don't worry. I will talk to her. Olu.
I beg.
Olu. Be cool. You know I love you so much.
Okay. My princess. Look up. Look at mommy. I am begging you, please. Let there be peace. Learn to love her. Please. Okay?
Sonia, you see why I'm not always in support of this?
What do you mean? This man accepted my children. So why would I reject his own child? It doesn't make sense.
Okay. You are in charge. It's your life. It's your money. It's your house. Is that not what you always tell me?
Hey, Naomi. I disagree with you on that. Okay? They are soon going to be family. So I don't see anything wrong in what she did.
Okay. Now see the problem and the headache this have caused her. If I say anything now, you guys will look at me as a bad person.
It's even better it happens now. They sort it and become one happy family. Rather than when they are married and all this starts to happen. It's a bigger problem.
Jesus. God. I just wish I can just open my eyes and see that all these things is gone, like in the dream, gone with the wind, gone. I just want to stay in this house with my husband and my children in one piece.
Will that ever be?
Everything is possible. It takes work. And that's what Sonia is doing. Let's encourage her. Not the other way around. Please.
It's okay. No problem. Come on.
Cheer up, baby.
Cheer up.
Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay?
Just cheer up, okay? We are here for you.
Yeah.
Cannot finish you. Give me that remote. What is wrong with you today again? Why did you change the channel? Eh? Are you blind not to see that I'm watching the program there? Eh? Change that station now, or you give me the remote. Else
what? Do you know how they bought all these things in this house? Or did you bring anything from that your stupid nonsense village to this city?
Hey! See me see wahala. See this one. Oh. This is my father's house. I have the right to everything in this house. So give me the remote now.
Your what? Your father is only squatting with us. Very soon, he will live with you.
Hey, it's you and your mother that will. In fact, your mother is a good woman. It's only you that will leave this house. Princess, give me the remote now. Don't allow me to start my own madness. So give me the remote now.
Okay, take it.
Hey!
Come and take it.
What kind of insult is this?
It's there. Go and take it.
Go and bring that remote.
And if I don't, what will you do?
Go and bring the remote. What kind of insult? What kind of... Why do you like insulting someone?
Stop fighting. Why are you guys fighting? Leave her alone.
What kind of...
Princess, stop. You guys should stop fighting. Princess. Leave her alone.
See, I'll break your head. I'll break your head like you don't know me.
You don't know me.
You don't know me. I'll break your head now. What's wrong with this girl? Go and get that remote now. 2-1. You are defending her because she's your sister.
Only we're not fighting. We're not. You still want play. We're not fighting. It's okay. Calm down. We're not fighting.
Come now.
Only it's okay. Leave her. Princess.
Hey, this girl.
Go to your room. Go to your room.
Hey! Like this. Hey, this girl. So not like this. Come and get this remote now.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. I want to get that hair. I want both straight. Of course. You don't have a choice.
What's the problem? You must get with her. You have a choice. I must get your money. Hello? Sharon? What?
What is it?
Okay, just hold on. I'm coming home right now. I'm coming home right now. Right now. What is this now? Maybe the girls are fighting again. They are fighting again. Princess and this Ebube. I'm tired. What is this?
You know what? I'll go with you. Let's go.
Okay, honey. Good.
Let's go.
Princess, what is wrong with you? I ask you again. Shut up! Why being a spoil sport? What is your problem? You got me so scared. I drove like a mad woman down here. What is it? I have begged you, take her like your sister. Shut up! Don't talk when I talk. What's your problem? You like issues every now and then, full of drama. What is it? I have to beg your dad to take her away, and then so I can talk to you. You are pushing me to the wall. I don't like it. If I turn back at you, you will not like it.
I'm sorry.
Then change. Don't do it again. Do you like hellfire? Then become and act like a child. Respect yourself.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
Then don't do it again. Just go to your room. Both of you go. Ha!
Baby?
Baby, see, if these girls would continue like this, then one person has to go. One person must go. Because I am scared. We might be out one day here and then we come back and we meet dead bodies. They'll kill themselves.
God forbid.
No, because it is not funny anymore.
Oh, honey, don't worry. I will talk to Mama. I will talk to her.
Please do, so I can think of what to do, because I'm going crazy.
It's okay. I will talk to her about it.
I came back, they were shouting and can you imagine? In my house!
It's okay. I'll talk to her. Mama, please. This is already affecting my job and sanity as well.
Jidenna, I said no. You can ask of any other thing. I will listen. But for me to continue to live with Oluebube in this house, I said hell no. I would not. If I die, let me know what killed me. I don't even need her help either.
I will send you money every weekend.
What are we talking about money here? Is it money that we are talking here? We are talking about the mannerless attitude of Oluebube. It's getting over. In fact, it's getting up to this place. I can't endure it anymore. You don't expect me to continue to condole it. Do you want me dead? I cannot. Okay, imagine just 2 weeks. 2 weeks only that you live with her. You are running. How much more? I that have been living with her for all these years. Now compare with what? Compare what you saw and what I've been passing through. You know that she has already dealt with me. And you want me to continue living with her. But I will not.
Mama, it's okay. It's not that she's the entire problem in the house. It's just that.
Just that again. Just that again. When you want to lie, you speak English. Yes. But listen, I will not take it. I will not take it one bit. Living in this house, continue to live in this house with Oluebube. She will kill me.
Mama,
hell no.
Be cool.
In short, if you don't know, if you don't have anything important to say right now, please, with due respect, as my son, be going, because I have somewhere I want to go. I want to live.
Baby.
Yes, honey.
This one your mother has refused her coming back to the village. What do we do? And don't you have any other family members or something that can take her?
Relative Kwan. They have long declined. Nobody wants to be with Oluebube. You know how rumors do spread now. Oluebube is bad, this and that. Nobody wants to stay with Oluebube.
You know, I've been thinking, sincerely I have. This is my friend Kemi. Princess doesn't like her. And Kemi sees Princess as a spoiled and disrespectful child. I would have said, okay, go there and stay for a while, you know. But I can't even say that. I'm tired, like I'm going crazy. These children want to make me mad. But I would not be mad.
Amen.
Ha!
Even Mama don't even want to listen to me.
You will not be.
Mama don't want to listen to me at all.
I want to talk with the both of you.
What is it?
It's my school. When I was in the village, I was in SS1. And now they put me in JS2. That's why Princess is disrespecting me.
My darling. They did exam for you, Abi? And they felt that JS1 is the best. We now said no, right? Please, put her in JS2 so that these things will not come up.
No, it will not work. It's better you change class or you change school for me.
Why? It is for your own good. You need adequate academic that is different from the one in the village.
Daddy, leave that thing. School is school. Anywhere they put me, as far as the school is school. Put me in SS1 or any other higher class. You can even put me in SS2 or SS3. I would like it.
Even university will put you. It's okay, my darling, don't worry. We will look into it. It's a promise, okay? Is that okay?
It's okay.
Smile for me.
Hey, thank God. Yeah, bye-bye. I like you.
I love you, my love. Thank you. We'll see to it. University.
Yeah, princess.
Yes, oh. Yes.
That's not going to happen. And you know that. It's
Hey.
not going to happen.
You like Wala? So you want us to be here and be doing court? I hereby stand and sit down. Is that what you want? I just said that she can go. Is that what? I'm tired though. Are you not tired? I am tired. You can't go. I'm tired. What is it?
Well, everything will soon end.
Pastor. It's not ending. It's coming up every day.
Why would you do that? Can you imagine that girl? She's insane. What did she do?
Try to inside my food. You ate my food. Are you mad? Wait. You ate my meat. Wait, what is wrong? Are you okay? You dare take my meat.
And who gave you the right to collect 2 meat? Do you know how my mother provides food in this house? And you took 2 meats. Small mouth.
Wait, I know you're a witch. You are not okay, but I will deliver you. See, carry this food now. Go to that kitchen and replace it now.
Come on, you two should not start. Please calm down.
Are you deaf? 1.
You're just wasting your time. If I ever see 2 pieces of meat in your food again, I will seize it, eat it, and slap you.
Are you mad?
Presents!
Me!
What is wrong with you?
You are mad! You are mad!
Only me, wait!
before my oga and madam go come say na me open this gate make them wrong. Anything wey I no go know me. Eh? Me go be say na only 20,000 naira alone na they pay me. They won't come, nobody will kill me for my time. I'm not ready for police matter at all. Small thing I go run come up for here. Call my girlfriend. Choma, I never even start to enjoy her. Eh? Oh God.
Baby.
Yes, honey.
What do we do? Because this is what we have been praying for.
Yeah.
This is so huge for the company. The company needs this. And we cannot afford to fail or lose on this one. I have worked so hard to get to this point. And we have to just go for this trip. You know what I'm talking about.
It's okay. We must do. We can't lose this for anything. We cannot.
Okay. Now the truth is, we have to separate these girls. To avoid setting my house on fire.
Where do we take them to?
But we must separate them.
Alright. We'll see.
I'm not going anywhere, Mom. I know it's because of this idiot. This idiot, you want me to leave this house. But she'll be the one that will leave this house, not me.
You will leave. Because this is my father's house. So you will leave.
You're just saying rubbish. This is my mother's house. And it's you and you.
Shut up! Do not finish the sentence. How dare you? Are you mad? Right before us, is something wrong with you? You guys lack respect. Seriously? Now listen. I do not care anymore. Read my lips. I do not care anymore. You see yourself? Tomorrow morning, myself and my husband, we're going to Abuja. Shh! Let me finish. And then, you girls will stay here together. You and you. In peace, you do not have a choice. And if I get back here and hear or perceive any nonsense, then you know that I'm not just a mother but a teacher. And that is not a joke. Do you understand me? Do you understand? You and you?
Ebube.
Shh! Don't even shush it and get out. Get out from here! All of you, get out!
What are you still doing there? Go!
Hey! Can you imagine? And they're not boys, so they're girls.
I'm tired.
Huh? You're just starting. You are just starting. Ha!
Sharo. I have told you. My name is not Sharo. I am Sharon. Please come and open the gate. I'm going to church activity.
You're going to church? What of small madam? She know they go church with you. That one said she know the cuckoo go church.
She's not feeling too fine.
Yeah, she is sick.
She has a slight headache, but she'll be fine.
Yeah, sorry.
Please come and open the gate. And my name is Sharon.
for me, oh, yeah? I don't get money for giving me the offering for me. Yeah, the prayer go. Go far.
You are sick now. What will you do? You are sick. You're acting like somebody that wants to die now. When your mouth will be doing blah 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 blah, you know. Now, you see this sickness, it will kill you. You under your wickedness, it will kill you. Even if you like die here, nobody will look at your face. Come and do madam again. Come and talk. I'm princess. This is my mother's house. Is it not your mother's house again? Ah, see, you will die with this sickness today. That's when you know that. If you ever talk, you know it's only two of us that I will punch you with this sickness. Then I will just hold your neck, strangle you. The two of us. Walk away. What is Hoto? Have you eaten anything today? Have you taken any drug? Why? Okay, sorry, I'm coming. Don't worry, nothing will happen to you. I'm coming. Oh. Open the gate.
What's happening?
I won't go buy drugs. Open the gate.
Who's sick?
Princess. It will happen to you. Okay? It will happen to you. Take your drugs. You stand up so you can take your drugs. Take. Stand up.
See, me, I don't understand. Every time you and your sister, every time, picture. The other day, you guys nearly put out my eyes. Nobody should blame me in this as well. Me, I'm blaming yourself. Sometimes you behave like half scored.
Who?
You are my friend, that's why I'm telling you this truth now. I know your sister is trouble.
That the one looking for my trouble.
Yeah.
Me, if you look for my trouble, I'll beat you well.
But you have
I don't have problem. Although I like fighting. Yes.
Yeah.
In my village, if you look for my trouble, I'll beat you.
Yeah, I fear you. I never look for your
They're
trouble.
here now. Okay. You want to start another fight? Well, this afternoon.
Sharoro. Sharoro.
Please, I'm sorry, Oluebube. Despite all I did to you, you still helped me. While I was sick, you helped me. Please forgive me. Sorry. Please forgive me.
Oluebube, please forgive her.
See, in this life, there's nothing in this life. I cannot just watch you struggle with your health and do nothing. So I had to run out and get you some drugs. So there's nothing there. See, as sisters, we need to love ourselves. Have unity, peace, understanding. Okay? So we'll not fight again. We are sisters. And some respect.
Okay.
So, I have no grudges against you, okay?
Thank you. Those are my sisters.
Yes.
I'm so happy.
Yes. So, we are sisters now.
Yes.
No fighting.
No.
No quarreling.
No.
Nothing.
Yes.
We are one.
Yes.
So, bye.
Bye.
We're going inside.
Them say begin blessings from above, oh. But this can't begin, yo. I never see him at all. This kind of wahala, I never see him at all. Oluebube, wetin be your problem? Why you know they here? I be you no get here at all. Oluebube weluke n'nwayo kejidokwu n'ukeli nni ya ka njụọ ka mụlụ oge mụọ nsogbu ka njụọ ijidokwu n'uke jebe ka njụọ weluke n'nwayo Oluebube weluke n'nwayo Kejidokwu n'ukeli nni ya ka njụọ ka mụlụ oge mụọ nsogbu ka njụọ onye mụta n'ebe onye mụta n'ebe Oluebube onye mụtara n'ebe onye mụta n'ebe
Like, am I in a trance or something? I'm trying to see if... Or let me just pinch myself. Okay, this is real.
I am so happy.
Do you know, this is like a dream come true for me. Sincerely. This is what we have been praying for, right, honey? And,
very good.
And it's happening now, right before my eyes. I'm so happy. You girls are just the best.
And it will always be.
Amen.
Forever.
Amen. Mommy,
yes, my love.
You always say there is always a reason for everything. Now I believe all you said was true. Now we're living as one big happy family.
Yes, my love, exactly. So nice to hear you say that.
Princess is the best sister one can ever have. Yes, she has an amazing heart. Though it wasn't easy at all, but it's worth it. And Sharon is an angel.
Oh, thanks. I'm so happy we are one big happy family.
Wow. This calls for celebration.
Yay!
Yes. Come. Woo. I'm so happy.
Give me some.
Oh, mommy, stop! Give me some.
Let's do it one more time. 1, 2,
ready, go! Give me some.
Hey! Hey! Chineke na-enye nwa imela, ekele dịrị gị mama. Chineke na-eme mma, asị m imela. Hey! Hey, mama! Hey! Oh, mama! Hey! Thank God for joining mercy. Hey, I'm so happy.
Please. Please forgive me. Please. Forgive me, please.
Mama, Biko, forgive her.
Mama, please.
Biko.
Please forgive her.
Please forgive her.
Please. Biko. Please.
Biko. Let's go in. Let's go.
I'm so happy. I miss you too. Hey, I want to prepare a delicious egusi soup for you.
Antigona, please. I want to talk with you.
Hey. Oluebube, I hope you don't want to pour me hot water as promised.
No, Antigona.
Antiqua. Hey! This one is set up. I don't understand you. Which one is auntie? Yeah, wow.
Chidonna, please, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, forgive me. I don't know what I was doing then. Please, forgive me. I'm a changed person.
Change person?
Yes.
I don't understand. Ebube. Oluebube, change person, impossible.
Please, I can even kneel down for you, please.
Oh, Ebube. Yeah, stand up.
Thank you. You know you're my friend.
I'm your friend?
Yes.
You poured me water.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. These are my sisters.
Come here. Good to see all of you. How are you?
We are fine.
Okay.
Thank you so much for forgiving me.
I have forgiven you, okay? I have forgiven her. And I bear no grudges against her. Okay?
Thank you.
I love all of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, come here. You've really changed. Don't worry. I'll come much later to see you people, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
I love you. She's really changed, oh. Hey! This is unbelievable. Kneeling down to beg me for forgiveness. Impossible. Hey! Thank God, oh. At least our grandmother will be at peace. Thank God.
Trust mama.